Hello students, welcome back to the lecture. So our lecture ma we are going to look at the question type statement finding. Right? In the other way, it is also known as statement matching. So as we have discussed in our last lecture, there is minor difference between information matching and statement matching. Because statement matching માં તમારી પાસે કોઈ speaker હશે and you'll have to identify which of the statement is related to that speaker, right? So let's go ahead and look at the strategy. So our first step is to locate those speakers in the entire passage, right? In this case, also pay attention to or also look for pronouns, right? It is not necessary that the name will be repeated. Sometimes we ignore that he, she, or they. In that case, we miss that entire statement. So let's see how it goes. So here we have five speakers: Yanira, Susanna, Elizabeth, Raisa, and Greg. So what we have to do is, first of all, આપણે આ પાંચે પાંચ સ્પીકરને પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાના છે. So let's look at Yanira, Nada. Now, always pay attention, જે સ્પીકર હોય છે એ પર્સનના નેમ છે. So first letter of their name is going to be capital. So try to locate those capital letters in the text. It will make it easier for you to locate. So I'm just looking at paragraph A. Doesn't seem so. Paragraph B. She, I got it. Yanira Pitera. Right? So I've got this. I've also looked at the she. Okay. Anywhere else, if we can see. Let's look at the Susanna tall. Uh, okay. C is tall. I got the tall. Then has to be some Susanna before that only. Susanna tall. Got it? Right. So, okay. Let's move to the next. It's Elizabeth English. So Elizabeth. Elizabeth English. We got it. Do we have person anywhere? No. Okay. Raisa Chaudhary. Okay, we got it. Raisa Chaudhary. It. He. So who is he? Again, Chaudhary is mentioned over here. Okay. Greg Spots. We got it. Do we have anywhere? No. So it seems that we have already almost identified those speakers. What is the next step? So next step says read lines with attention on say, told, mention, argued, suggested, believe, single quote, double quotes. So nearby those spots or that location, try to identify such keywords. It will direct you directly to the statement that they have spoken. So you can see, look at the following statement and list of the people below. Match each statement with the correct person. Right? So let's see, Yanira Pineda is here, and when it says, right? So if we just pay attention to the says, what is the statement that is made by Yanira? It is starting over here. In the face of floods, climate mitigation strategies have often been overlooked. So they're saying for when the situation is flood, then climatic mitigation strategies have been overlooked. People are not paying attention to that. That is what mentioned by this, right? She knows that they are essential and that the job is far from over. We know that in 20, 30, or 40 years, we will need to go back in there and adjust to the changing environment. So they're saying is we need to pay attention to this climate mitigation strategy, but in times of flood, we are ignoring it. And she's saying that we will have to adjust to the changing environment. Okay, so Now, once we have this idea, what you need to do is you need to go back to the statements and try to identify. It is essential to adopt strategies which involve and help residents of the region. Okay, intervention which reduce heat and absolutely vital for for our survival in this location. Okay, more work will need to be done. Okay, in the future decades to deal with the impact of rising water level. Okay, future decades. That's the main fever. Okay, the number of locations requiring action, right? Number of locations that require action to adapt to flooding has grown in the recent years. So flooding grown in recent years. So out of this, we have 5% and only four statements. So that means one of them is not going to be used. Here, what was the mention about the Yanira is she knows that they are essential. So which are essential climate mitigation strategies? So they are essential and we need to implement that in 20, 30, or 40 years. So future decades is going to be the one. More work will need to be done in future to deal with the impact of rising water level. So this seems to be the correct answer. Now, this is just my assumption. If we find any other suitable answer, then you have to change it. So as of now, I'm putting it as A. Okay. So let's move to the next person. Who is that? That is Susanna Tall. Now there is conjunction but. So try to read one line before this. Okay, so it is starting from here. So let's say there have been many attempts to restore the island coastal mangroves ecosystem of trees and shrubs that help defend coastal areas by trapping sediments in their net-like root system, elevating the seabed and dampening the energy of waves and tidal current. But Susanna Tall of non-profit organization Wetland International says that while hugely popular, the majority of the mangrove planting projects fail. She is saying that mangrove planting projects are getting failed. So what they are saying is Wetland International started with a different approach. So they built some dams that is made from bamboo poles, brushwood to mimic the this. Okay. But the mention about the says is here. What is the statement? Unfortunately, traditional infrastructure is often single solution focused. They are saying that traditional infrastructure is focusing only on one solution. For long term success, it is critical that we transition towards multifunctional approach that embed natural process and that engage and benefit communities and local decision maker. So there is a mention of communities and local people. So they should be engaged and they should get benefit. Now that is the statement number 23. It is essential to adopt strategies which involve and help residents of the region. So this answer is going to be 100% B. Right? Let's move to the next. Elizabeth. Okay. So when I started this, explains, I'm paying attention to the single quotes, right? Climate change was not on the tip of everybody's tongue, but this technology is becoming necessary in places that didn't previously needed it. It is much cheaper than permanently elevating houses. English explains about a third of what it would cost to completely replace a building's foundation. It also avoids the problem of taller houses being at greater risk from the wind damage. Another plus comes from the fact that amphibious structures can be sensitively adapted to meet cultural needs and match the kind of houses that are already common in the community. So it is about changing some structures and everything. Do we have anything? Intervention which reduce the heat? No, nothing about heat. More work we needed to done in the future decades. Doesn't seem so. The number of locations requiring action to flooding has grown in the recent years. So this can be, right? So when I started this, the climate change what not was not on the tip of everybody's tongue. So that is what they have mentioned. When they started the company in 2006, climate change was not the issue. But now everybody needs it. So this can be my answer of C. Let's move and look at the Reza Chaudhary. What is mentioned by Reza Chaudhary? Okay, almost 35 million people living on the coastal belt of Bangladesh are currently affected by soil and water salinity. So there is a huge number of people. Okay, what else is mentioned? Okay, Chaudhary is mentioned over here. The results are very visible. Comparing barren plot of land to beautiful lush green vegetable garden sitting beside it, in which he and his team would have been working with the farmers. Since the project began, farmers trained in saline agriculture have reported increase of 2 or 3 more harvests per year. So nothing about heat. They are saying there are people who are being affected by coastal erosion, but okay, I don't think any of these treatment are matching with this. Let's look at the Greg's points. What is he saying that? He leads the Cool Street LA program, a series of pilot projects which does this, says, right? So the statement is mentioned by him. Urban cooling is literally a matter of life and death for our future in LA. So that is specifically about this location. Los Angeles is my location. What they are mentioning is intervention which reduce heat are absolutely vital for our survival in this location. Look at this. USA is a chief sustainability officer for city's street service department. He leads the Cool Street LA program, a series of pilot projects which include the planting of trees and insulation of cool pavement system designed to help reach the city's goal of bringing down temperature, reduce the heat. So this is 100% the answer of Greg's part. What we have done is, first of all, we just highlighted those speakers. After highlighting them, we paid attention to either single quote, double quote, or says, mentioned, told, like that word. And then we read the line around it and match it with the mentioned statements. So let's see and check what is the score. So right, we got all four correct. Done. So this is how we have to do matching the statements.